My research questions are as follows. How can mobile technology expand the learning environment? And what factors affect the effective use of mobile technology with learning? So, my project. What I plan to do is to give an assignment to my grade 11 communication technology students, a broadcasting-based assignment called A Slow News Day. It will require the students to leave the school and be at least 15 minutes away from school property. Before this can take place, of course, school board permission would have to be obtained over the summer, and I do have a August 19th due date to put my proposal in regard to my project, as well as parental permission will also have to be obtained for both the students participating and then for leaving campus. So the students will be required to leave campus to cover their story. So building on mobile technology successful integration into the learning environment, I would like to assign an assignment outside of the formal school environment. Now, students will receive instructions off campus to go after the news story. They will be obtaining this by going onto our class wiki, which will describe what the assignment is about. A two-way communication process would be executed. That would include the sharing of the assignment requirements, as well as questions being answered between the students and myself. The students will be able to ask questions by Twitter or by calling. Students would also be able to use their mobile device to conduct their research using a search engine, and then they would use the video camera built into their device to shoot their story. Now, in regard to not every student necessarily will have a smartphone or other mobile device to do this assignment with, students will be working in pairs, and that way the students who do not have access to this equipment will be able to work with someone that does. So once they've done their research, they are then going to be shooting their story, and they'll be deciding what that story is, very much falling into problem-based learning. And once they've shot their video, they will then use such sites as Ustream or Quick to upload it back to myself for any input. I would use iPadio if it was for audio only, but this will be predominantly a video assignment. Now, at the completion of this assignment, there will be assessment to evaluate the success of it. So what will take place in this case is, as soon as the students have uploaded the video, they will then be guided to go back to the class wiki page, where a link will take them to SurveyMonkey for them to take part in an online qualitative study to rate their experience both technically and educationally on the experience. Upon their return to the classroom, the school, they will then participate in a quantitative study which will be conducted both individually and a group setting for them to describe and analyze their learning experience. So that's what my project is about, and these are the articles that I cited throughout my presentation. I hope you've enjoyed this two-part series, and take care.